The first example in this case, if sin alpha is equal to cos 35 degrees, what is alpha? Solution. Already we have an identity that can convert sin to cos or cos to sin. So let us convert our sin to cos. So we have that sin alpha is equal to cos 90 minus alpha. So therefore, we have that cos 90 minus alpha is equal to cos 35 degrees. So that the cos on both sides will cancel, leaving you with 90 minus alpha equal to 35 degrees. Collecting like terms, we now have 90 minus 35 degrees is equal to alpha. If you move minus alpha to this side, it becomes positive. If you take 35 degrees to this side, it becomes what? Negative. Subtracting this, you have, therefore, the value of your alpha will be equal to, so your alpha will be equal to, subtracting 35 from 90, you have 5 there, and then you have 5. So the value of this, of alpha, is equal to 55 degrees.